Hello dear students, let's talk about GATE Chemistry 2026 preparation. And this is the exam by most elegantly designed chemistry papers in India. Students often imagine that GATE CY is about solving extremely tough problems, but the truth is very different. GATE Chemistry doesn't reward complexity, it rewards clarity. It's a paper where understanding beats memorization every single time. The structure of the exam itself is beautifully balanced. Physical chemistry forms the conceptual backbone with thermodynamics, kinetics, quantum chemistry, electrochemistry, and spectroscopy. These questions aren't random. They are direct reflections of fundamental laws. Once you understand the law, the question becomes predictable. You don't need thousands of formulas, you need a disciplined, logical approach. Organic chemistry in GATE is all about mechanisms. The exam never throws isolated reactions at you. It checks whether you understand movement of electrons, stability of intermediates, stereochemical outcomes, and reagent behavior. When you think mechanistically, organic chemistry stops being a memory game and becomes a story of what the molecule wants to do. Inorganic chemistry, on the other hand, rewards students who can decode patterns. Whether it is coordination chemistry, periodic trends, organometallics, or spectroscopy, once you understand the driving principles behind structure and stability, everything falls into place. GATE isn't impressed by long lists memorized, it is impressed by conceptual interpretation. And then there's mathematics, which students ignore at their own risks. But GATE CY math is not complicated, it's repetitive. Once you understand the model, every numerical becomes familiar. We train you to treat chemistry mathematics as a framework, not a fear. GATE chemistry has a very clear exam psychology. If a numerical looks scary, it is usually simplifies into one standard formula. If an organic question looks long, it usually tests only one mechanistic step. If an option looks almost correct, that's usually the trap. The exam wants precision, not guesswork. In our classes, we train you to think like a chemist, structured, logical, and consistent. Every topic becomes a concept map, every formula becomes a tool, every problem becomes a predictable pattern. When your thinking becomes disciplined, your score becomes stable. By the end, GATE chemistry stops looking like a huge syllabus and becomes a coherent, interconnected subject where everything supports everything else. And that's exactly what produces top ranks.